Welcome. In this lesson, we are learning the Hermes/learn command in the way it is actually meant to be used. We are not going to treat it like a simple summarizer. /learn is Hermes's way to turn a source, a document, or a workflow into reusable agent behavior. So we will start from the official Hermes documentation, then move into the real Hermes Desktop app on Windows. Use the educational agent profile. Run /learn against the official docs URL, and finally reuse the learned skill to create a visual HTML explainer. Here, in the official documentation, the important line is learning a skill from sources. The command shape is /learn, followed by what Hermes should learn from. That source can be a URL, a local SDK, or documentation folder, pasted notes, or even a workflow you just walk the agent through. Hermes then runs a normal agent turn. It can read files, extract a web page, use recent conversation context, and gather the operational details. The output is not just a note. It is a skill file that future Hermes sessions can load when the same kind of task appears again. Now we move into Hermes Desktop in the real Windows environment. The example is deliberately chosen to match the command. Instead of asking Hermes to summarize a page and immediately make a graphic, we first ask it to learn a reusable lesson pattern from a trustworthy source, the official Hermes docs page about skills and /learn. Only after that skill exists do we ask Hermes to use the newly learned behavior to build a visual artifact. That is the key distinction. The command being entered is /learn, followed by the official documentation URL, and a focus instruction. Teach the /learn command and turn the learned source into a reusable visual explainer workflow. Watch the sequence. The input is visible, the command is sent, and then Hermes starts doing real work. It reads the source, extracts the practical procedure, and prepares a skill. This is why /learn is useful for repeated work. You can point Hermes at the material once and then keep the resulting procedure as part of the agent's toolkit. When the learning step finishes, Hermes reports that a skill was created and saved. The visible result includes the skill name, category, path, and a short summary of what the skill captures. This is the moment where the example becomes more than a one-off answer. The source has been converted into an operational instruction set. A good skill does not store every word from the docs. It stores the trigger, the procedure, the pitfalls, and the verification steps that make future work faster and more reliable. Now we reuse the skill immediately. The follow-up asks Hermes to build a single-file HTML visual explainer. The requirements are concrete: a source to agent to skill to reuse flow diagram, cards for URL, local files, pasted notes, and recent workflow, one command example, and a verification checklist. This is a much stronger demonstration than simply summarizing the documentation, because the visual page is produced from a capability that Hermes just learned and saved. The agent writes the HTML file, opens it locally, inspects it, and verifies the requirements. This part matters for practical work. A good /learn demo should show the full chain: trusted source, learn command, skill saved, reuse request, generated artifact, and verification. If a tutorial skips the save skill or skips the verification, it misses the real value of the command. /learn is about reusable behavior, not just convenient extraction. Finally, here is the generated visual explainer opened in the browser. The page teaches /learn as a four-step flow. A source can be a web URL, local files, pasted notes, or a recent workflow. The agent gathers the important operational details. Hermes saves those details as a skill. Then future sessions can reuse that skill when the same pattern appears again. The command example stays visible, and the checklist reinforces what to verify. The source was resolved, the skill was saved, the reusable behavior was captured, the artifact is complete, there are no external assets, and the output can be reopened. That is the practical mental model. Use /learn when you want Hermes to remember how to do something again, not just answer once. Before we wrap up, here are the cases where /learn is the right tool. Use it when the same workflow will come back: an internal deployment checklist, a vendor API quick start, a repository convention, a design system rule, a reporting process, or a troubleshooting playbook. The stronger the source and the clearer the verification steps, the better the skill will be. If the source is temporary, confidential, or too messy to reuse, do not blindly teach it to the agent. Clean the source first, remove secrets, and make the desired reusable behavior explicit. The final lesson is simple. /learn is not a magic import button. It is a structured way to turn knowledge into a Hermes skill, with the same approval and file writing rules as normal skill creation. For a reliable result, point it at a trustworthy source, tell it what to focus on, inspect the saved skill summary, reuse it immediately in a practical task, and verify the output. That is the complete loop. Learn, save, reuse, and verify.